Hello guys, welcome to Dear Denise Diary. I'm just getting ready to leave for work now, and I just want to show you what I take to work now for my intermittent fasting. I haven't been doing really well with it at all. What I'm drinking now is just I don't know, green tea. I'll show you in a minute. I've been making a lot of mistakes because I love tea in the morning. I just need to have tea in the morning. And I've been making tea with my almond milk or soya milk unsweetened, and I was just casually doing it, thinking, oh, it's unsweetened, it's fine. But then one day I woke up and I said, oh my god, actually yes, it's not sweetened, but it does have other things in it, like there's some amount of fat, carbohydrates, other things. The idea with intermittent fasting is not to have anything in your body at all within that period. So that's why you can have black tea or black coffee, and I'm having green teas as I'm having now. So yeah, so I think I've gone wrong for a little bit, and I'm only human. So yeah, I've stopped doing that. It's very difficult because I really did my tea with milk in it in the morning, but something's got to give. So I am having it. I'm having it now without any of this. So hopefully I should be okay. So anyway, I just want to show you what I'm taking to work today. All right. I have got these two celery sticks. I'm just cutting them up and putting it in the blender. And then I've got this cucumber. Put that in there, and I've got green apple. Going to remove the core. So at 11, I'm just going to bring this first. So I've got that in here. Put all that in here, and adding some pineapple. These are pineapple chunks. Just add it to it. And I've got a little bit of spinach that I cleaned and put in the freezer. Just going to add a little bit to that. So very nutritious. I'll just whack it in there. No measurement. So I added a bit of honey. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of cinnamon to it. Added some orange juice. going to put the rest in the fridge for later. Oh, this is a lot. Let's put a bit of tissue on this. Okay guys, so that's all that I'm taking for work today. I should be home early enough for dinner, so that's it. I mean, this smoothie is really delicious. You can do it without the honey. I just feel like having a sweet thing today, that's why, because already there is sweetness in the pineapple and in the orange juice as well. But yeah, the cinnamon gives it this lovely flavor. Just try it. So yeah, I have to rush off now. Thank you so much. I want to encourage everyone who is on the journey, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I love you all. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me, and please share some of the things that you've been having. Okay, right, until next time, bye for now.